How much should you actually spend on a balance bike for your baby? Some parents are happy with the cheap ones, while others return the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting because price doesn't always mean quality. Product number 1, SCRED Baby Balance Bike Camo. The SCRED Baby Balance Bike caught my attention right away with its sturdy design and vibrant camo color. At $49.99, I found it to be a solid option for parents looking to get their little ones started on balance biking. If you want a dependable first bike for toddlers, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This balance bike is recommended for kids aged 12 to 24 months, which means it's perfect for those wobbly first steps. It helps develop balance, steering, and coordination, key skills for your child's physical development. With a weight of just 6 kg, it's easy for both you and your child to carry around, meaning they can ride it anywhere they like. And let's be real, the safety features like the closed wheels and turning limit really stand out. No one wants a scared child after a tumble. Now, some people complained about the lack of a brake. Here's the thing though, at this age, most kids are just learning to balance, not speed. So while a brake might be nice for older kids, it's not a deal breaker for the toddlers this bike is designed for. This is perfect for you if your child is just starting to walk and you want a fun way to encourage balance. Skip this one if you're looking for a bike that your child can use for many years to come, as it's really made for those early stages. For $49.99, it's a good value for what you're getting. Now, if the design of the SCRED Baby Balance Bike didn't excite you, this next one might catch your eye even more. Product number 2, SCRED Baby Balance Bike Blue New. Next up is another great option from SCRED, this time in a striking blue. Priced at $42.99, it's slightly cheaper but doesn't skimp on quality. This bike is also designed for toddlers aged 12 to 24 months, making it perfect for those curious little adventurers. If you want something fun and safe for your child to learn on, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Just like its camo counterpart, this bike fosters balance and coordination without the worry of pedals. The closed wheels and 135-degree turning limit are essential for keeping little feet safe. Plus, the lightweight aluminum frame makes it easy for you to transport, ensuring your child can take it wherever their imagination leads them. Now, some reviews mention that the assembly took longer than expected. But here's the thing, once it's put together, it's all about the fun. It's a small hassle for a bike that can lead to hours of outdoor play. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable bike that your toddler can grow with as they learn. Skip this one if you're not great with assembly, though, as some patience is required to get it set up. For $42.99, you're getting quality at a fantastic price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Nuyu 5-in-1 Toddler Tricycle. Now let's switch gears to the Nuyu Toddler Tricycle, which offers a little more flexibility for parents. At $76.49, it might seem pricier, but it's packed with features that could justify the cost. If you want a bike that can adapt as your child grows, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This tricycle has 5 modes. You can use it as a push tricycle, a balance bike, and even a regular bike as your child grows. The adjustable handlebar and seat make it super adaptable, allowing you to customize it to your child's height. And the safety features like the steering handle help you guide your child and prevent falls, which is a real concern for many parents. Now, some users found the assembly challenging because of the multiple modes. But here's the thing, once it's set up, you have a multifunctional bike that grows with your child, so it's worth a little extra effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a bike that can adapt as your child transitions from toddler to preschooler. Skip this one if you want something lightweight and simple, as this one has a few more parts to manage. The investment at $76.49 offers great value for the versatility it provides. Now, if the complexity of the Nuyu tricycle isn't your style, the next bike is all about simplicity and fun. Product number 4, SCRED Baby Balance Bike Pink New. Let's check out another SERED balance bike, this time in a lovely pink. Priced at $36.99, this is the most affordable option on our list. If you're looking for a quality balance bike that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Just like the others, this bike is designed for toddlers aged 12 to 24 months. It promotes balance and coordination, which are crucial at this stage of development. The lightweight and easy-to-carry design means your child can take it wherever they want, and the no-pedal design ensures safety as they learn. With a sturdy frame and supportive seat, it's ready for both indoor and outdoor play. Now, some customers mention that the paint can chip easily. Here's the thing, for a toddler bike that's meant to be used, a little wear and tear is expected, and it doesn't affect performance at all. This is perfect for you if you want an economical choice that still offers quality. Skip this one if you're looking for something with extra features or bells and whistles. For $36.99, it's a fantastic deal for early childhood fun. Now, if you're all about fun designs and unique features, the last bike on this list might just light up your child's world. Product number 5, Umatal Colorful Lighting Bike. Finally, there's the Umatal Colorful Lighting Baby Balance Bike, priced at $29.97. This is the most budget-friendly bike on our list, and it's also the most visually appealing. If you want something that not only helps your child develop balance, but also makes them excited to ride, this one's worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The colorful light-up wheels are a total game changer. They're designed to inspire curiosity and make riding more fun without needing batteries. Safety is a priority too, with fully enclosed wheels and a 135-degree steering limiter to prevent falls. Plus, the adjustable seat means it can grow with your child. Now, some parents found the assembly instructions a bit confusing, but here's the thing. Once it's together, it brings a lot of joy and excitement for your little rider. This is perfect for you if you want something fun and engaging for your toddler to ride. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional bike without the lights and gimmicks. At $29.97, it's an unbeatable value for a first bike. So to wrap it up, the SERED bikes are fantastic for those early years, with great safety features and lightweight designs. The Nuyu tricycle offers versatility as your child grows, while the Umatal bike adds an element of fun with its colorful wheels. Each option has its strengths, so it really depends on what features are most important for you and your little one.